Top 5 apps like MyTrueIdentity reviews that actually work today. MyTrueIdentity is popular for identity protection and credit monitoring, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's the only reliable option. The surprising truth is there are multiple apps that help you monitor credit, protect personal data, and detect fraud efficiently. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Credit Karma offers free credit score monitoring, alerts, and personalized recommendations. Users appreciate clear insights and real-time updates. Second, Experian provides credit reports, score tracking, and identity theft protection. Customers highlight reliable alerts and detailed credit guidance. Third, Identity Guard focuses on identity theft monitoring with eye-driven alerts. App users love proactive fraud detection and support. Fourth, PrivacyGuard combines credit monitoring with risk alerts for personal information. Users report easy-to-understand reports and secure protection. Finally, LifeLock by Norton offers comprehensive identity protection and credit alerts. Customers praise fast fraud response and peace of mind. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication and monitor alerts regularly. This ensures maximum protection against identity theft. Using these 5 apps, you can safely manage your credit and identity while enjoying verified protection, features, and alerts.